Breaking news this morning, we found some heavy damage from that strong line of storms that moved across Houston.
Yeah, specifically part of Katy got hit pretty badly. Kathy Hernandez is following that from the newsroom this morning. Kathy?
Good morning to you. Yes, several businesses there in Katy suffered significant damage. We want to take a look at our photographer's live shot there on the scene. Just incredible to see. We just spoke to the assistant fire chief on the scene there. He says he was just driving around with reports of downed trees when he pulled up to this. They tell us they're not sure what it was, if it was straight line winds or a small tornado. It all happened on South Mason and Kingsland at about 3 this morning. Witnesses there saw strong winds and heavy rains, of course, and this is the damage. The Firestone lobby is completely collapsed. The garage is fine, they tell us. The Bourbon Street Sports Bar had all of its windows blown out just as they were closing for the night.
Fortunately, this business was closed. The bar had just closed for the night. Their staff was on site, but fortunately they were at the back of the building and weren't struck by any of the debris.
What happened to them? They got like windows broken?
So the windows were blown out. They had some roof damage. Looks like some debris from outside went into the structure.
And there was also a restaurant there in that area that is suffering damage as well. Power is also out in that area right now, so they have called CenterPoint to try to get crews to restore the power out there. They also say they're going to wait until daylight to get a better handle on the damage. But the good news here, he tells us, no one was hurt. So of course we'll continue to stay out there and talk to some witnesses about what exactly happened. Owen, Sophia.
Yeah, that is definitely the good news this morning, Kathy. Thank you for that update. And we have also been getting several photos and videos from you guys, our viewers, taken during the storms. Begley sent this video in of rain in the Galleria. You can see that lightning in the background lighting up the sky there and the rain pouring down. Keep sending these in, please. If you can do so safely, send those videos, send those pictures. You can do this at click2pins.com.